Beretta is one of the most recognized names in firearms. In fact, the Beretta Model 92 is an extremely popular and iconic handgun. But did you know that Beretta also has a performance clothing line catering to hunting, shooting sports, and other outdoor activities? Well, today we're going to take a look at the Highball Windpro sweater from the Beretta USA clothing line. What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac, and welcome back to the channel. Now, you've probably already noticed me wearing this sweater in several videos lately, so let's just jump straight into the details of construction, fabrics, features, and the recommended procedure for proper cleaning. The Highball sweater is essentially a half-zip style hoodie. This sweater has a very high collar that can certainly block a drafty wind when flipped up, or can be folded down out of the way when it's not needed. The Highball Windpro sweater is waterproof and windproof thanks in part to a material called Gore-Tex. Now, Gore-Tex was not designed as a collaboration effort between Al Gore and the state government of Texas. No, Gore-Tex is a very popular material used in performance outdoor wear that was patented way back in the 1970s. Its most notable feature is that patented membrane, which blocks water while allowing the fabric to breathe properly. It's also super light. Total weight on the Beretta Highball Windpro sweater comes in at just about 1 1/4 pounds. Real quick before we continue, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Here on CloverTac, we talk about all things firearm and firearm adjacent. So if you're into that sort of thing, go ahead and smash that subscribe button below. And if you want to keep up with the current content on the channel, go ahead and click that notification bell as well. On top of being windproof and waterproof, this sweater can also keep you warm and comfy in cold weather thanks to an inner layer of insulating fleece. Need pockets? Well, the Highball Windpro has them. There is a nice, wide, deep zippered pocket on the chest, perfect for those outdoor snacks like beef jerky. And the front double zippered fleece-lined kangaroo pocket offers ample storage for other things that you need to secure while you're out there on that outdoor adventure. Question of the day: do you own any apparel that uses Gore-Tex fabric? Jump down in the comments below and let me know. This sweater is no doubt designed with the hunter in mind, as it has stretch material in some important places like under the arms, which provides better movement if you're hunting, hiking, competing, or just out having fun on the shooting range. After getting this sweater, one question that I quickly had was how to properly clean and maintain a piece of clothing that uses this Gore-Tex material. These garments typically are not cheap, and so that makes proper care critical. I was able to find these cleaning recommendations on the Gore-Tex website, which I'm going to share with you today, thanks in large part to the wonderful support team over there at Beretta. The recommended way to clean your Highball Windpro sweater is to use the PermaPress setting on your washing machine with warm water, low spin, and extra rinse. You want to stay away from powdered detergents. Instead, just use a little bit of liquid detergent that does not have additives such as bleach, fabric softener, or stain removers. Once washed, line drying is the best option. If you're an avid outdoorsman, hunter, shooting sports competitor, or just want to look stylish out there on the range while staying warm, well, this Highball Windpro sweater from Beretta USA might just be the piece of gear you're looking for. Remember, as always, if you would like to continue the conversation, you can do that down in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.